Hello everybody. I got a Honda here. It's a HRA214 SX self-propelled lawnmower. It came into my shop, the people had it, and the self-propelled part would not go. And what happened is there's a spring that goes from this hair cable up to here. So when you move the lever, it engages the transmission, which is down here, and the cable goes down inside here onto this here transmission part. And the part number that we need to fix this with is number 54411-VA4-800, and this is a Honda genuine part. It's a special ordered part for this mower because no one handles them anymore. But to put this on, it's real simple. On this here cable down here, you'll want to loosen that up. And when you do this, you'll want to have it adjusted all the way back here on that nut. That way there's the least tension on it, and you can go back and adjust that later if you need to. On the cable here, you'll want to hook it through with this side going up and through the eyelet part like that. Then you can take this cable and just bring it around and slide it over that end, and you slide this back up into the groove there. Kind of check your tension on it, which with it like that, it's not too bad. So we'll go ahead and tighten it up there. And these nuts on this is a 10 millimeter on the front and back side of it. Now we'll give it a try and see if the transmission actually works and it goes. And that's all there is to fixing one of these Honda mowers when the spring part's missing up here. But like I said, it's a special order part, so most likely you're going to have to order it online or call Honda themselves and get it. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great one, everybody. Bye.